Hello, I'm renting an office here in Chicago area and every winter I have the same problem with the windows in the office. Because I'm renting the office, replacing or changing the windows is really out of my control. And during a Chicago winter, I can definitely feel cold air coming from around the windows. My desk is very close to the window, and sometimes it honestly feels about 10 degrees colder sitting here compared to when I move further inside the office. So I got this window sealing tape to see if I can seal some of these gaps and help keep the cold air out. The roll I have it's 2 inches wide and 33 feet long. It's clear, which is important to me because I don't want something very noticeable around my office windows. It's made for sealing gaps around windows and doors, and it creates a barrier against drafts, moisture, and dust. It's also waterproof and weatherproof, so this is especially useful for me during our Chicago winters. Before I put it on, I'm going to clean the surface really well and make sure it's completely dry. Okay, so before I put the sealing tape, I want to show you guys the gap that I have between the drywall and the window. This is one of the windows that I will do. Here on the top, there is no gap on the between the window and the drywall, but here down there is a big gap. That's why I have this screwdriver. I don't know if you guys can see how the screwdriver goes in. So that's why I need the tape to fix this issue with the gap between the drywall and the window. What I did was I measure how much I need, then I cut the tape, peel it, and press it firmly over the gap. Another thing I like is that this isn't only for one type of window. You can use it on different smooth surfaces, including glass, metal, wood, and plastic. You can also use it around doors, sliding glass doors, shower glass cabinets, and window AC units. And if you're wondering about removing it later, it's designed to come off cleanly without leaving sticky residue or damaging the surface. That's especially important for me because this is a rental office. The tape is also clear, so once I have it in place, you really don't notice it very much. If this helps keep the area around my desk warmer and more comfortable during the Chicago winter, that's exactly what I needed.